This delicious guilt-free pizza is low-carb and completely gluten-free, and you don't even need an oven to make it. Take half the cabbage and cut it into shreds. Pour hot water over the shredded cabbage and leave it aside. In another mixing bowl, add 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and give it a good mix. Melt some butter in the pan and add the drained shredded cabbage and spread it evenly on the pan. Pour the egg mixture over the chopped cabbage so that the cabbage is evenly covered. Then, add some grated cheese on top. Cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Flip the cabbage with the help of a plate and then slide it back into the pan. Add the pizza sauce and spread it evenly. Then add some grated cheese and some ham or pepperoni slices. Top it with some more grated cheese. Cover the pan and let the pizza cook for 8 minutes on low heat until the cheese has melted. If you liked this cabbage pizza recipe, then you will also like this absolutely delicious shredded cabbage recipe here. Check it out now.